Now, I only have 3, 4 dahlias, but you have clearly hundreds, particularly in this dahlia border, and you're not going to be lifting all of these.
No, I'm not going to be lifting them. You're absolutely right. Although, one or two that offend me, I will lift and get rid of and replace with something else. But for those that I leave in, we cut them down. We leave about 6 inches of stem on the top, cut them down to the ground, and then we put a mulch over. Now, I've got some lovely potting compost here. You don't have to use that. You can use whatever you've got. If you've got mushroom compost, it's very good. If you've got your own compost that you make at home, that's equally good because you just leave it on for the next year. The main thing you have to realise is you want to put a blanket over the top of the tubers, because the more soil above the tuber, the less frost can get to them. And it's frost that's the enemy, and you want to stop the tubers from freezing. That's all you have to do. It's
so you're
simple as
basically
that.
snuggling them up
You're
under a blanket.
snuggling them up, yeah. And one other thing I think perhaps people ought to realise is that dahlia tubers of the highly bred garden varieties are less hardy than the species. So if you've got a species like Dahlia coccinea or Dahlia murkii, they are much, much hardier. So, you know, you pay your money and takes your choice, basically.